how to make a breath-shaped key to add realism to your character. Load your character in Blender. For my case, I'm going to use this model of Aang that I sculpted in Blender and wrapped in Dad's Studios. First, add a basis key and a breath shape key. Set the value to 1. Select the armature and go to Edit mode. Select the tail or head of the third spine, depending on your orientation, and set the 3D cursor to selected. Go back to Object mode and select your character mesh. Set its origin to 3D cursor. Go to Sculpt mode and use the Mask tool to isolate the front chest area as I have done in the video. Press Ctrl-I to invert the mask. Select the Scale tool and with the breath shape key set to 1, scale up the chest to the appropriate breathing size of the chest. Clear the mask with Alt-M. Isolate the front abdominal area with the Mask tool, as I have done in the video. Ctrl-I to invert. Go back to Edit mode in the armature and set origin to the first spine bone above the hip bone. This time, we're going to use the Transform tool. With the breathing key set to 1, move the isolated abdomen a few inches back. Now you have a breathing shape key. Select your armature and go to Edit mode. Shift-A to add a bone and position it as I have. I'm going to name mine Breath Control. Parent it to the upper spine bone. Go to your Shape key and add a driver. Open your Drivers editor and select your Shape key. Select Drivers and set the object to your armature. Set the bone to your breath control. Set Type to Y location and set Space to local space. Move the breath control to your preferred maximum breathing position. Go to Modifiers tab and add a Generator modifier. I set this value to 6. Add a Limits modifier and set Y maximum value to 1. Go to Bone Constraint tab and add a Limit Location constraint to your breath control, set to local space. Select all minimum and maximum values and set the maximum Y value to the position that drives your breathing shape key to 1. To get this, move your breath control along the Y-axis and copy the value from your Item tab. Now you can use a bone to control the breathing. For more realism, add a transform constraint to your shoulder bones. Set both target and owner to local space. Map from Y location to X rotation. Set both the maximum to your preferred values for movement. This is your final result. I went further and added a driver for the tattoo glow. If you liked the video or found it useful, leave a like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more.